Gentlemen, let me ask you a serious question. Have you noticed your legs feeling weaker lately? Maybe climbing the stairs leaves you more winded, or standing up from a chair takes just a little more effort than it used to. This isn't just getting older. What you may be experiencing is something called sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass. And here's the shocking part. It can start quietly in your 50s and speed up rapidly after age 60. Every year, men lose about 1 to 2% of muscle if they don't take action. But here's the good news, you can stop it. In fact, with the right morning nutrition, you can rebuild strength in your legs, protect your mobility, and regain the kind of energy you thought was gone forever. Today, I'll reveal what you should be eating each morning to fight leg muscle loss fast, backed by science, patient success stories, and practical steps you can start tomorrow. Why muscle loss happens after 60. Now, before we get into the foods, let's talk about the hidden cause. Muscle loss after 60 isn't just about not exercising enough. It's about hormonal shifts, reduced blood flow, and poor protein absorption. As testosterone and growth hormone levels naturally decline, your body becomes less efficient at repairing and building muscle fibers. Add to that the fact that many men develop insulin resistance and circulation issues, which starve your leg muscles of the nutrients they need. This combination leads to thinner legs, weaker joints, and yes, higher risk of falls. But diet has the power to change this. The right morning foods don't just give you calories, they give your muscles the exact building blocks they need to grow stronger again. Think of it like giving your engine premium fuel instead of cheap gas. Why morning nutrition matters most. You may wonder, why morning? Can't I just eat better throughout the day? Great question. Research shows that the first meal of the day sets the tone for your metabolism. After a night of fasting, your muscles are literally craving amino acids and nutrients to repair themselves. If you skip breakfast or just grab coffee and toast, you're missing the window when your muscles are most receptive to rebuilding. That's why eating specific, protein-rich, nutrient-dense foods each morning can dramatically slow muscle loss and even reverse it. So, let's get practical. I'll walk you through the 5 key foods every man over 60 should eat in the morning if he wants stronger legs, better balance, and lasting vitality. Food number 1, eggs, the muscle builder. The first food may not surprise you, but the science behind it is powerful. Eggs. They're one of the most complete sources of protein on Earth, containing all 9 essential amino acids your muscles require. But here's the kicker, egg yolks are rich in vitamin D and B12, both of which men over 60 are often deficient in. These vitamins directly support testosterone production and nerve function, both critical for strong legs. One of my patients, Robert, age 67, started eating 2 boiled eggs each morning with a slice of whole grain toast. Within 3 months, he reported climbing stairs without knee pain and felt his balance improving. He didn't change much else, but that morning protein made all the difference. Food number 2, Greek yogurt, protein and probiotics. Next on the list, Greek yogurt. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is strained, which means it has nearly double the protein. It's also packed with calcium, crucial for bone strength, and probiotics that improve gut health. Why does that matter for muscle? Because if your gut isn't absorbing protein efficiently, your muscles won't grow no matter how much you eat. I recommend a cup of plain Greek yogurt topped with berries and a sprinkle of flaxseed. This combination not only feeds your muscles but also lowers inflammation, which is often the hidden barrier to healing. Food number 3, oatmeal with nuts, slow energy release. The third morning powerhouse is oatmeal topped with nuts. Oats provide slow-digesting carbs that fuel your workouts or daily activities without spiking blood sugar. When paired with almonds or walnuts, you get magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats that improve circulation. Remember, muscles can't grow if they don't get enough blood flow. A patient of mine, George, age 72, had struggled with nighttime leg cramps. Once he switched his sugary cereal for oatmeal with walnuts in the morning, those cramps disappeared within weeks. His circulation improved, and his energy levels stabilized throughout the day. Food number 4, spinach omelet, the nitric oxide booster. Another key food is spinach. When eaten in the morning, especially in an omelet, spinach delivers nitrates that your body converts into nitric oxide. This compound relaxes blood vessels, increasing blood flow to your legs. Better circulation means your muscles receive more oxygen and nutrients, which speeds up recovery and growth. I often recommend a spinach omelet with onions and a sprinkle of cheese. It's delicious, filling, and works like a natural muscle pump for your legs. Food number 5. Protein shake with whey or plant-based protein. Finally, for men who don't have much appetite in the morning, a protein shake is an excellent choice. Whey protein is quickly absorbed and proven to stimulate muscle protein synthesis more effectively than most foods. Add a banana for potassium, some berries for antioxidants, and a spoonful of peanut butter for healthy fats. That's a complete breakfast in a glass. I had one gentleman, 74 years old, who had lost nearly 15 pounds of muscle after surgery. With a simple daily protein shake, he regained strength in his legs and was walking 2 miles a day again within 6 months. The role of hydration. I cannot emphasize enough, don't overlook hydration. Muscle is 75% water. Starting your morning with water or even green tea improves blood flow and joint lubrication. Many men over 60 walk around slightly dehydrated, which accelerates muscle fatigue. If you're serious about protecting your legs, pair these foods with at least 1 tall glass of water in the morning. The hormonal connection. Now let's tie this back to hormones. Eating these foods in the morning boosts testosterone, insulin sensitivity, and growth hormone response. For example, the leucine in eggs and whey protein is a direct trigger for muscle growth. The magnesium in nuts improves testosterone production. The probiotics in yogurt improve gut absorption of minerals like zinc, which is another testosterone booster. This is why men who follow these strategies often feel younger, stronger, and more energized within weeks. Patient story, John's recovery. Let me share a story that always inspires my patients. John, a 68-year-old retired firefighter, came to me complaining that his legs felt like rubber. He was afraid of falling and losing independence. We started him on a morning routine of 2 eggs, a spinach omelet twice a week, and a whey protein shake every other day. Within 4 months, he had regained visible muscle in his thighs, his balance tests improved by 40%, and most importantly, he felt confident walking his grandkids to school. John told me, "Doc, I thought my strong days were behind me. Turns out they were just waiting to come back." Patient story, Carlos energy boost. Another man, Carlos, 72, was skeptical. He'd been skipping breakfast for years and blamed age for his declining strength. After I convinced him to start small, just Greek yogurt with berries in the morning, he noticed changes within 2 weeks. His energy improved, his digestion smoothed out, and within 2 months, he was back to gardening without pain. His wife told me, "Doctor, he hasn't looked this alive in years." This is the kind of transformation possible when you give your body what it truly needs, exercise plus diet, the perfect combo. Now, let me be clear, diet is powerful, but it works even better with simple movement. Gentle resistance training, like squats, calf raises, or even chair exercises, tells your body, we still need these muscles. When combined with morning protein, the results multiply. Think of food as the building blocks and exercise as the architect that puts those blocks together. The hidden enemy, sugary breakfasts. Before we wrap up, let's talk about what to avoid. Many men start their day with pastries, sugary cereals, or just coffee. This spikes blood sugar, leads to crashes, and accelerates muscle breakdown. In fact, research shows high-sugar breakfasts increase inflammation and worsen circulation. If you want strong legs, swap the donuts and sweetened coffee for the foods I mentioned earlier, overcoming excuses. Some of you may be thinking, I don't have time, or I'm too set in my ways. But let me remind you, your health is your freedom. 10 extra minutes in the morning could mean years of independence later. Would you rather spend a little time preparing eggs now, or risk years of struggling with walkers and wheelchairs later? The science of hope. Studies show men over 60 who eat 25 to 30 grams of protein in the morning have significantly stronger legs and less muscle loss compared to those who eat less. The science is clear, it's not too late. Muscle responds at any age. Your body still has the blueprint. It just needs the right materials. A vision of strength. Picture this. You wake up, enjoy a protein-rich breakfast, and feel strong enough to carry your groceries, play with your grandkids, or go for a morning walk without pain. That future is absolutely within your reach. I've seen it happen for hundreds of men. It can happen for you. Motivating closing and call to action. So gentlemen, here's my challenge. Tomorrow morning, choose one of the foods we discussed: eggs, Greek yogurt, oatmeal with nuts, spinach, or a protein shake. Stick with it for 2 weeks, and you'll begin to feel the difference in your legs. If you found this message helpful, share it with a friend who also deserves to live stronger and longer. And remember, your age does not define your strength. Start today, one breakfast at a time, and you'll be amazed at how fast your vitality returns.